What is up, guys? Joe here, back with another video. Today's Thursday, October 14, 2021, and Bank of America is up over 4% today. Bank of America is trending because they reported a positive earnings report and have a bullish outlook for fiscal 2022. And for the month, Bank of America is up over 13%. So today I wanted to do some technical analysis and see where the stock could be potentially headed next. So let's take a look. So we jump over to FinViz. Here are a couple of headlines. Wall Street rewards Bank of America, Morgan Stanley, and Citi while Wells Fargo shares fall. Banking revenues are in record environment and are only going to get better. U.S. banks beat profit estimates on economic rebound. Deals bonanza. And if we look at some analyst price targets, we do see that Odewan gave it a buy rating and a price target of $46.50. And analyst Keith Bruyette gave it a market perform rating and a price target of $40. So now if we look at the weekly chart, we do see that Bank of America has been trading in this range. This blue line down here would act as support, and your top line above this pink line would act as resistance. And as you can see, Bank of America has been trading within this channel, but generally trading higher. And today it posted a multi-year high and a closing price of $45.07. So we could view it the same way within TradingView. Here's your daily chart, and you can grab the trend line tool here and you can draw your support line down here and grab your trend line again, and you can draw resistance up here. And as you can see, Bank of America is forming an ascending wedge pattern, so we are generally in a bullish direction, and this squeeze is getting tighter, and I do predict that BAC will resolve to the upside and break out of this squeeze. So in order to get a better macro view and insight into where the stock could be potentially headed next, we can draw some Fibonacci retracement zones, pinpoint what specific price targets are next. So what you can do is grab your Fib retracement tool here, and you actually want to zoom out. We're actually going to go ahead and zoom out and look at the weekly chart. And as you can see, previously Bank of America did have an all-time high back in 2006 of roughly $55, but this preludes the 2008 financial crisis. So this is why you see this giant sell-off that happened between 08 into 09, and we have yet to recover since then, but it looks like we can eventually get there in the coming months. So this previous all-time high can act as absolute resistance, so that'll be a mental barrier of what we should break through eventually in order to post new all-time highs. So now let's grab our Fib retracement tool here and drop our first anchor at the lowest point of the stock and drop our second anchor at the previous highest point of the stock that was made over 10 years ago. So we drop that there. So as you can see, Bank of America was trading in this zone between the 61% and the 78% Fibonacci retracement zone, which is here and here. And today we were able to break through that. So our next level of resistance would be this 100% Fibonacci retracement zone, and that is a previous all-time high of 55.31. So now if we're able to break through that, our next extension level would be here. So our next resistance zone would be here at the 127% Fibonacci retracement zone, and that's a price target of 69.70. And if we're able to break through that, then our next level of resistance would be the 161% retracement zone, and that's a price target of $88. So I do think we'll get there eventually, but not in a straight line up. Banks have been a volatile name the last year, especially with the COVID crisis and the lockdown situation and a lot of the stimulus money being printed in the United States and worldwide. So do expect volatility along the way. I do think we can reach these price targets Our first price target would be the $55 mark, which is the previous all-time high. And if we can break through that, then our next level would be $69.70. So banks usually are slow and steady holds. It's not a name that's going to jump 50% in 1 week. It's a name that grows gradually over the months and an industry that pays great dividends. So I hope you found this information helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a question in the comment section. I'll be happy to respond. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one.